Okay, next we see the next problem. Obtain Lorentz expansion for f of z which is equal to 1 divided by z plus 2 into 1 plus z the whole square. In first condition is modulus of z less than 2 and the second condition is modulus of 1 plus z is greater than 1 and third condition is modulus of z less than 1 and fourth condition is 1 less than modulus of z less than 2. Okay, so this problem asking the four condition, but first you have to what is given the function. The given function is 1 divided by z plus 2 into 1 plus z the whole square. Okay, first we take the solution, next we go to the solution. First we take given solution, given function is take f of z which is equal to 1 divided by z plus 2 into 1 plus z, it can be written as z plus 1 the whole square. Okay, first to take the given function and next step can using the partial fraction method. Okay, next step can using the partial fraction method, but in this function have the constant by variable, but first directly can using the partial condition mean what are they have the condition numerator power is less than denominator power, means that time can using directly can using the partial fraction method. And another condition, suppose that in our whenever the function constant by variable. Okay, so constant by variable of power value any value mean, so this condition also directly can using the partial fraction method. Okay, so in this problem have the constant by variable means can using directly can using the partial fraction method. Okay, you take the given function, once again write the given function 1 divided by z plus 2 into z plus 1 the whole square. First to take the given function and now can using the partial fraction method. Okay, here the denominator value other factor z plus 2 into and another factor z plus 1 the whole square. Okay, so in this power of value z plus 2 means can write the partial fraction value power value order 1 can write the a divided by z plus 2 plus here with z plus 1 the whole square. I'll be write the partial value mean we can take the plus b divided by z plus 1 plus c divided by z plus 1 the whole square. So in this denominator value of z plus 1 the whole square value we will take the partial condition. First you take the b divided by z plus 1 plus c divided by z plus 1 the whole square. You see the examples of partial. Suppose you have the partial condition 1 divided by x plus a into x plus b the whole square means can take the partial condition a divided by x plus a plus b divided by x plus b plus c divided by x plus b the whole square. Okay, in our order 2 mean can take the partial value b divided by x plus b plus c divided by x plus b the whole square. Suppose in our order whole power of 3 x plus b the whole square mean can take the partial condition b divided by x plus b plus c divided by x plus b the whole square plus d divided by x plus b the whole cube. All of you can understand. Okay, so and now can take the given condition 1 divided by z plus 2 into z plus 1 the whole square. Once again repeat the partial condition. First order 1 that is a divided by z plus 2 plus here order 2 means in this partial value it can be written as b divided by z plus 1 plus c divided by z plus 1 the whole square. And now taking the LCM condition, that is which is equal to here the denominator value maximum z plus 2 is a different value and z plus 1 the whole square. Okay, you take this condition z plus 2 into which one is maximum value, z plus 1 the whole square is a maximum. We take the z plus 1 the whole square, z plus 2 into z plus 1. Okay, 1 the whole square. And now taking the LCM condition of numerator value, here a divided by z plus 2 is having, which one is not having, z plus 2 is having, but which one is not having, z plus 1 the whole square is not having. So can multiplication of a into z plus 1 the whole square, can multiplication this value plus b divided by z plus 1. Here one more term of z plus 1 is having, but which one is not remaining, not having the remaining value, z plus 2 into z plus 1. Can multiplication of plus b into z plus 2 into z plus 1, can multiplication of that value plus c divided by, here the denominator value z plus 1 the whole square is having. Which one is not having? This one is having, but which one is not having? Z plus 2 is not having. So in this value you can multiplication of here plus c into z plus 2. Okay, so LCM condition over. Next, we take the left side value. Here denominator values and right side values of denominator value both are same as z plus 2 into z plus 1 the whole square. Here z plus 2 into z plus 1 the whole square both are same. Can cancel this value. Therefore, the remaining values is 1 which is equal to a into z plus 1 the whole square plus b into z plus 2 into z plus 1 plus c into z plus 2. You take this equation number 2 and now this equation number you take the equation number 1. Okay, first you take this given the partial condition, take the equation number 1 and now you take this equation number 2. Okay, and next step we want to find the values of a, b, c value. Okay, if you want to find the a, b, c values, first you take the given denominator value. Here z plus 2 into z plus 1. First to take the z plus 2 value. Z plus 2 equal to 0 means that is z equal to minus 2. Okay, put z equal to minus 2. Substitute in equation number 2. Okay, substitute this equation number 2. Okay, now substitute this equation number 1. That is left side value, there is no the variable z value, so you can only constant value have. So you can take that is 1 which is equal to a into z value. What is substitute the value? Minus 2. That is a minus 2 plus 1 the whole square plus b into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 1 plus c into minus 2 plus 2. Okay, here minus, I will write here minus 2 plus 1. Okay, I will write here minus 2 plus 1 into. Okay, so here minus 2 plus 2 is become 0 and the third term is also minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. So therefore the 1 which is equal to a into subtract this value minus 2 plus 1 become minus 1 the whole square plus in this term becomes 0 plus b into 0 plus c into this term also 0. Okay, plus c into 0. So omit this value. Therefore the 1 which is equal to minus 1 the whole square becomes the plus 1. That is 1 which is equal to 1 a means therefore the a which is equal to 1. Therefore the a value's answer is 1. Next substitute the values of another value. Put z equal to z plus 1 equal to 0 means that is z equal to minus 1. Put z equal to minus 1. Again substitute in equation number 2. Okay, again substitute in equation number 2. Okay, substitute the equation number 2. That is 1 which is equal to a into z value you can substitute the minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 the whole square plus b into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 plus c into minus 1 plus 2. Okay, so for the 1 which is equal to I write here. Okay, that is 1 which is equal to a into minus 1 plus 1 the whole square becomes 0 plus b into subtract this value plus 1 and here becomes the 0 plus c into here positive value is 2. Okay, that is a c into 1 maximum value is 2. That is 1 which is equal to cancel this 0 term. That is 1 which is equal to c into 1 means that is c which is equal to 1. Okay, next if you want to find the values of a values got it and c values got it. Which one is next? We want to find the b value. So if you want to find the b values means here the denominator value there is no the another value, factor value. So can take the put z equal to 0 or equating coefficient of constant value. Take from equation number 2. Put z equal to 0 or equating the constant on both sides. Okay, now take put z equal to 0. Okay, put z equal to 0. Substitute in equation number 2. Okay, substitute in equation number 2. That is 1 which is equal to a into 0 plus 1 the whole square plus b into 0 plus 2 plus into 0 plus 1 plus c into 0 plus 2. Okay, so I will write here 1 which is equal to a into 0 plus 1 the whole square plus b into 0 plus 2 plus into 0 plus 1 plus c into 0 plus 2. Okay, that is 1 which is equal to a into 1 the whole square become 1 plus b into multiplication add this value 2 into 1 plus c into 2. Okay, plus c into 2. That is 1 which is equal to a plus 2b multiplication of this value 2b plus 2c. Okay, next substitute the values of a and c value. 1 which is equal to a value. What is your answer? A value's answer is 1. Okay, 1 substitute here. 1 plus 2b plus c into c value. What you got the answer? C value is also 1. Okay, substitute here. 1 into 1 into 2. 1 into 2. Now to multiplication of this value, that is 1 which is equal to 1 plus 2b plus 2. Next add in terms of constant only. 1 minus 3 is 1 plus 2 become plus 3 plus 2b. Next left side will become the constant only. 1 minus plus 3 is replaced by minus 3 equal to 2b. Subtract this value. 1 minus 3 become minus 2 which is equal to 2b means here 2 values cancel. Therefore the b which is equal to minus 1. Next the values of a, b, c value. A value 1, b value is minus 1, c value is 1. Substitute in equation number 1. Okay, well, substitute in equation number 1. You take from equation number 1. 1 divided by z plus 2 into z plus 1 the whole square which is equal to a value is what you got the answer 1 divided by z plus 2 plus b value become the answer minus 1 divided by z plus 1 plus c value plus 1 divided by z plus 1 the whole square. I will write here f of z which is equal to 1 divided by a value a divided by z plus 2 that is 1 divided by z plus 2 plus b divided by z plus 1 that is minus 1 divided by z plus 1 plus c divided by z plus 1 the whole square. C value can substitute the 1 divided by z plus 1 the whole square. Now therefore the f of z which is equal to 1 divided by z plus 2. Here plus and minus and multiplication of this value minus become the minus. So negative value take outside. That is 1 divided by z plus 1 plus 1 divided by z plus 1 the whole square. And now we take this equation number 3. Next step, take the given region. We take the given region is first to take the first region. What is given the first region? Modulus of z less than 2. Okay, well, I take the first region. The given region is modulus of z less than 2. So in this value you can replace by less than 1 condition. Less than 1 condition means the right side values of 2 will be get the left side value. That is modulus of z divided by 2 is less than 1 and now become the less than condition, 1 condition. Okay, wow. So modulus of z by 2 it can be written as modulus of z by 2 is less than 1. Okay, wow. And now take from equation number 3. You take when you complete the region, next to take from you go to the equation number 3. F of z which is equal to, so in this denominator value, you see the denominator value. So in this value you can replace by constant by variable. Okay, wow. So in this value you can replace by constant by variable. So that is you can replace by z by 2. So can here denominator value not constant by variable by constant. So in this value denominator you take this denominator value you can replace by variable by constant. So you can replace by variable by constant means, so here which value take outside? 2 value take outside. Z plus 2 take the denominator values of z plus 2. In this value you can replace by variable by constant mean 2 values you take outside. Okay, so 2 values take outside mean that is 1 by 2 into, what do you write the bracket? 1 divided by z by 2 plus 1. I will write here 1 by 2 into 1 divided by z by 2 plus 1. Okay, next we go to the second term. So in this denominator also you can replace by in our region condition variable by constant because we have the only one region. So you can consider this region only, but in our constant, but in our constant only variable by constant. Okay, so you can take the variable by constant mean here the second term can get this variable by constant. Here 1 is a constant, take outside. That is 1 minus 1 divided by 1 into 1 divided by z by 1 plus 1. Can write the z by 1 plus 1. Okay, plus second term also you can replace by variable by constant means that is 1 value take outside. Therefore the 1 divided by 1 square, 1 divided by z by 1 plus 1 the whole square. I will write here 1 by 1 square into z by 1 plus 1 the whole square. That is which is equal to 1 by 2 into, in this denominator value you can take the numerator value, that is 1 plus z by 2 the whole inverse minus, divide this value become 1, that is minus of, in this value you can replace by numerator value 1 plus z by 1 the whole inverse plus and this value you can get the numerator only 1 plus z the whole power. Here actually the power value 2 mean, so plus 2 is replaced by minus 2. We can get the numerator value mean that is minus 2. 1 plus z the whole power of minus 2. And now Actually this condition based on they can using the formula 1 plus x the whole inverse formula. Second term also can using the 1 plus x the whole inverse formula, but the third term is having the 1 plus x the whole power of minus 2 formula can use it. Okay va? So once again you remember all of you what's the 1 plus x the whole inverse formula. 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x power of 4 and so on if modulus of x less than 1. And 1 plus x whole power of minus 2 formula is 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube etc. up to modulus of x is less than 1 if modulus of x less than 1. Okay, well, you take therefore the f of z which is equal to, you take this value, previous equation, 1 divided by 2 into, can using the 1 plus x the whole inverse formula. What's the 1 plus x the whole? 1 minus x plus x square, here x value is having z by 2. So in this value it can be written as 1 minus z by 2 plus z by 2 the whole square minus z by 2 the whole cube. Okay, right here 1 by 2 into 1 minus z by 2 plus z by 2 the whole square minus 1 minus second term has a 1 plus z the whole inverse formula. Again by using the 1 plus z the whole inverse formula. So in this value it can be written as 1 minus z plus z square minus z cube plus so on. Okay, wow. Plus third condition, actually third condition having the 1 plus z whole power of minus 2. So can using the 1 plus x whole power of minus 2 formula 1 minus 2x plus 3x square. Okay, wow. Here x value having the z, that is 1 plus 1 minus 2z plus 3z square minus 4z cube plus etc. up to. So this is the expanded value. So in this expanded value then final answer can replace with sum of the value. Therefore the f of z which is equal to 1 by 2 into, so in this expanded value you can write the sum of the series. Summation of n equal to 0 to infinity. First verify all the terms have the positive or alternative sign. So all the term actually the plus minus plus minus. So alternative sign means the alternative sign of nth term is minus 1 whole power of n into z by 2 the whole power of n. Okay, well, the correction here, not square here. So minus 1 whole power of n into minus 1 whole power of n into z by 2 whole power of n minus, we go to this term, minus of 1 minus z plus z square minus z cube. So we write the sum of the series. Summation of n equal to 0 to infinity. Okay, summation of n equal to 0 to infinity. Here the alternative sign plus minus means that nth term is minus 1 whole power of n into, here the variable z power 1 2 3, that is z power of n. And next we go to this term plus, in this term it can be written as summation of n equal to 0 to infinity is for the alternative series. We can write the minus 1 whole power of n into, here the variable 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, this nth term is n plus 1 into variable has the z, that is z power of n. Okay, so this is the answer this problem. Okay, and now I give the home, actually I will give the some more problems. You do it these problems. Find the, actually this previous problem only I will explain only one condition. So remaining two condition you will do it. Okay, well, already I explained the previous video. In remaining three condition you do it. Already explained this type of the problem. Okay, and now I give the I give the problems. Find the Lorentz series. Okay, well, find the Lorentz series expansion of the function f of z which is equal to z square minus 6z minus 1 divided by z minus 1 into z minus 3 into z plus 2. Okay, wow. Z plus 2 in the region modulus of z less than 3 and second condition 1 less than modulus of z less than 2. And second problem is expand 7z minus 2 divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2. Put the point z equal to minus 1, that is z plus 1 equal to 0. in the region 1 less than modulus of z plus 1 less than 3. About the point mean no problem, don't consider the point. Actually about the point mean here the denominator is z plus 1, so that's why it's given the z equal to minus 1, but in our condition only region only, so can it considered 1 less than modulus of z plus 1 less than 3, so I can consider the only region. Okay, so don't confusing this problem. Okay, and next problem. Next problem, expand f of z which is equal to 1 divided by z plus 1 into z plus 3 in Lorentz series valued for the region modulus of z greater than 3 and second condition is 1 less than modulus of z less than 3. Okay, the hint 3 modulus of z greater than 3 it can be written as 3 is less than modulus of z. Okay, but in your condition region condition will become the less than 1 condition, so in this value you can replace by modulus of z will be get the left side value, that is 3 divided by modulus of z is less than 1, so 3 by modulus of z it can be written as modulus of 3 by z is less than 1. Okay, I given the answer. This problem answer is, you know that this problem answer. Okay, and next question, find Taylor series and Lorentz series with reference to the function f of z which is equal to z divided by z plus 1 into z plus 2. The region is given, the region modulus of z less than 1, and next second condition 1 less than modulus of z less than 2, and third condition is modulus of z plus 1 less than 1. So sometimes asking the Lorentz series or Taylor series can using the same method. Okay, so all of you do it this problem can learn the more problems. Okay, and next